Hello friends, do you want to know how much you could have saved for retirement after 30 years? With just your salary, a spreadsheet, and a smart plan? In this video, I'll guide you step by step to build a 401k retirement calculator in Excel, complete with employer match, compound growth, and a 4% salary increase every year. Whether you're a student, working professional, or simply curious, this tool will give you real insight into your financial future. Let's dive in. A 401k is a retirement savings plan where you invest a portion of your salary before tax, and your employer might match part of that. Over time, compound interest grows your savings. We'll recreate this using Excel. First, create an input section like this in your Excel sheet for flexibility. Now in cell A2, type 1 for first year, and in cell A3, type $. Select the A2 cell, +1. Press Enter. Then drag this down to cover 30 years. Here in column B, salary with 4% raise. In cell B2, type this formula. This pulls the starting salary from your input. Now go to cell B3 and type this formula. Here, I6 contains the annual increment rate that is fixed, so we use absolute cell reference. And 1+ rate to add the increase on top of the current value. If you only used I6, you'd get just the raise amount, not the new total salary. Press Enter. This increases your salary by 4% each year. Drag down or double-click to year 30. Now, employee contribution. In cell C2, type $. Select the B2 cell. Add an asterisk. Now select the I2 cell and add absolute cell reference, because it fixed. This multiplies your current salary by your contribution rate. If your salary is $60,000, this gives $3,600. Press Enter. Done. To calculate employer match, in cell D2, type this formula. Here, I4 *B2 is 5% of your salary, the maximum eligible for a match. C2 is your actual contribution. Min ensures you only get matched on what you actually contribute, up to 5%. Then it's multiplied by I3. Press Enter. So if you contribute 5% and your employer matches 50% of that, this gives a match of 2.5% of your salary. Let's calculate total contribution. In cell E2, type $. Select the C2 cell. Add a plus sign, and select the D2 cell. Press Enter. Now, it's time to calculate interest earned. For the first year, there's no balance from last year. So, in cell F2, type 0. Let's calculate the total balance for the first year. In G2, type $. Select the E2 cell. Add a plus sign, and select the F2 cell. Press Enter. Now, go to the cell F3 and type this formula. Interest is calculated on last year's balance, multiplied by the return rate. Press Enter. Adds your total contribution and interest earned to get the end-of-year balance. In cell G3, type $. Select G2 plus E3 and plus F3. Here, G2 adds last year's balance, E3 year's contributions, and F2 interest. Drag this down to year 30. Or just double-click on the bottom right corner of the cell. Finally, add summary section. Below the table, show the final balance. In G9, type total retirement savings. Then in H8, type this formula. Press Enter. This finds the balance in year 30. If you want to add a chart, first, highlight the year and total balance columns. Go to Insert. Then click on Line Chart and choose a chart from the list. Add chart title, like Projected 401k Growth Over Time. And choose a design from the Design tab. This visual makes it easy to understand how your savings grow with time and raises. And that's it. You've built a dynamic 401k calculator in Excel that accounts for annual salary raises, employee and employer contributions, investment growth with compound interest. Tweak any input and watch your retirement outlook change instantly. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Easy Click Learning, and hit the bell icon for more Excel magic that makes life easier. Thanks for watching.